Good morning, my dear students. बच्चे, as you know that till your question number 25, what I am saying, till your question number 25 of exercise 5.1 we have already completed, and in today's we will complete question number 26 to 30 of exercise 5.1. So, my dear students, be ready for this. And today's homework, what will be your today's homework? Your today's homework is to complete your notebook till question number 30 of exercise 5.1. Now बच्चे, I am moving to your question number 26. And what is your question number 26? That is, find the values of k so that function f is continuous at the indicated points. Question number 26 to 29. Your question number 26, 27 and 29 are बच्चे to find the value of k when it is being given that function is continuous at the indicated points. Clear, students? Now your question number 26 is f of x k cos x upon pi minus 2x comma if your x not equal to pi by 2, this is your function, and if your x is equal to pi by 2, then your function is 3. Clear बच्चे? Now as usually, as we are always doing, we are finding three things, that is LHL, RHL and then the function value, and on basis of this बच्चे, what you have to do, you have to see the function is continuous or function is discontinuous. Now बच्चे, your LHL is equal to limit of fx, x tends to pi by 2 negative. In this case बच्चे, your fx will be limit of x tends to pi by 2 of negative, where your k of cos x upon pi by 2 minus 2x is there. Now बच्चे, what we will do, we will change this limit in terms of h, that is limit h tends to 0. How we can change it? By putting x is equal to pi by 2. By putting x is equal to pi by 2 minus h, we can change it into h tends to 0. Now बच्चे, when we will put this pi by 2 minus h in this function, what we will get? K cos, this is x, so in place of x what we have written? Pi by 2 minus h. This is pi बच्चे, pi minus pi by 2 minus of h. Clear? Limit of h tends to 0, that is बच्चे k sin h upon pi minus 2 into pi minus 2h. LCM we have taken, so it will become 2h upon 2. And बच्चा, in next step this 2 will cancel out by 2, so I will get the value limit of h tends to 0, k of sin h is pi minus pi minus 2h in the bracket. When I will open the bracket, I will get limit of h tends to 0 k sin h upon pi minus pi plus 2h. Why beta? Because I have opened the bracket over here. When I will open the bracket, this will become negative and this is already negative, so minus and minus will become positive. Now here this pi and pi will cancel out, so I will get limit of h tends to 0 k sin h upon 2h. So बच्चे your limit h tends to 0 is k by 2 sin h upon h, whose value is k by 2 finally, as your value of sin h upon h is equal to 1. Similarly, we will find out the value of RHL, and that value of RHL will be beta limit of x tends to pi by 2 positive of fx, that is equal to limit of x tends to pi by 2 positive, that is बच्चे k of cos x upon pi minus 2x, and बच्चे limit of h tends to 0 is k into cos x, that is pi by 2 plus h, and over here it is बच्चे pi minus 2 into pi by 2 plus h. Now here what I will do, what I have done, I have put the value of x is equal to pi by 2 plus h, and as we have done the calculations over here, by final solution what we have got means, first I will do the LCM of this, then this 2 will cancel by that 2, and after finally doing all the necessary steps which we have done over here, this all step will be repeated once again, and finally we will reach to like this statement, that is limit of h tends to 0, that is minus of k sin h upon minus of 2h, that is limit h tends to 0 k by 2 sin h upon h is equal to k by 2. Clear? Now it is seeming to be useless kind of thing, because LHS is also same, RHS is also same. How we will find out the value of x? It is not possible in such a case. So now we will find out the function value at pi by 2. So as it is given in question already, at x is equal to pi by 2, function value is 3. So I will write down your f of pi by 2 is equal to 3 बच्चे. Clear my dear students? Now let's move to the further steps of these questions, and the further steps of these questions are बच्चे, as we know that fx is equal to k of cos x pi minus 2x if x is not equal to pi by 2, and 3 if x not equal to pi by 2 is a continuous function at pi by 2. It is already given in the question. Then बच्चे, if it is given in the question, then what I can write, that LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of pi by 2, and then बच्चे using this I will write my RHL was k by 2 and my function value is 3, so I have put them both equal. Why I have written this? I have written this because my RHL was equal to RHL, LHL was equal to RHL, and that's value was k by 2, and my f pi by 2 value is 3. So because of this I have written this statement that k by 2 is equal to 3. Now beta k value will be, it will go this side, so 3 into 2, that is 6, and finally the value of k is equal to 6. Now again I am telling you what 3 things we have done over here. First we have found out LHL, second we have find out RHL, and thirdly we have find out f of pi by 2. After finding out this, we have come to know that these two were same, but this value was not same, but it was already given in question that the function is continuous. But it was already given in the question that function was continuous. So accordingly we have written LHL is equal to RHL is equal to pi by 2. Why we have written this? If they are different, we have written this because it is given in question. See, this also I have written over here. Why I have written it? Beta, it is given in question that it is continuous. So using this, finally we have got the value of k is equal to 6. Hope you have understood this question. Now I am moving to your question number 27. Here is your question number 27, बच्चे. The function is defined by f of x kx square if x is less than equal to 2, and it is defined as 3 if your x is greater than 2. So बच्चे, LHL is equal to limit of fx x tends to 2 negative. So which part I will use? I am approaching to negative side, so I will use this function. And as per this function, बच्चे, I have written in place of fx kx square, and when I will put, now what I have done, put x is equal to 2. After putting x is equal to 2, what I have got, k into 2 square, that is 4k. Similarly, I have got the value of f2. Now function value as f2 again is defined by kx square. So f2 is equal to kx square is equal to k into 2 whole square, that is 4k. And now बच्चे, we have find out your RHL. What is your RHL? Your function when it is approaching to the right side, it is defined as 3. So I have directly written over here 3. Clear बच्चे? Now again the same step. As we know, fx is equal to this kx square of if x less than 2 and 3 if x greater than 2 at x2 is continuous. What we know? We know that it is continuous. Then what we can write? We can write LHS is equal to RHL is equal to f of 2. Now बच्चे, my LHL is 4k and my RHL is 3. So I have used here 4k is equal to 3, and while solving this 4 is in multiplication over here. So in next step it will come in denominator. So बच्चे, finally your value of k is 3 by 4. What is the value of your k? That is 3 by 4. Clear my dear students? Now I'll be taking your question number 28. Your question number 28 is बच्चे, just have a look. The function is defined by fx is equal to kx plus 1 if x is less than equal to pi, and as cos x if x is greater than pi at x is equal to pi. It is already given that it is continuous. As per question is continuous. As per question it is already given continuous. Now at x is equal to y, your LHL, what will be your LHL? Limit of fx x tends to pi negative. We will use this function because we are approaching from the negative side. So बच्चे, kx plus 1, when I will put, as I will put x is equal to pi, what value I will get? I will get k pi plus 1. What I will get बच्चे? I will get k pi plus 1. Now when I will be moving to RHL बच्चे, my RHL will also be this function now because I am approaching from right hand side. So limit of x tends to pi positive of fx will be now cos x. Are you understanding why I have used here this and why I have used here this? This I have used beta because I am approaching from negative side. So negative side means x will be less than pi. So as condition of x less than pi, I will use this function. And here I am approaching from the positive side. Positive side means x will be greater than pi. So in this case the function is defined as this. Clear बच्चे? So after solving this, I have come to know that the value of this function will come minus 1. What will the value will come? Minus 1. How it will come? Because when I will put here pi value, what I will get? Cos pi. What I will get? Cos pi. And value of cos pi is minus 1. cos pi, and that value of cos pi is -1. For continuity at x is equal to pi, LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f pi. Clear beta? Because it is given, it is continuous function, so I will use this k plus 1 and this value to find out the value of k. So k pi plus 1 is equal to -1, and k pi is equal to -1 into -1, so k pi will be is equal to -2, and finally the value of k will be -2 upon pi, and as a result value of k is -2 upon pi. Clear बच्चे? Now I will move to your question number 29, and your question number 29 is बच्चे, the function is defined by this function fx kx plus 1 if x is less than 5, and 3x minus 5 if x is greater than 5 at x is equal to 5. So बच्चा at x is equal to 5, your LHL will be limit of x tends to 5 negative, and your fx will be limit of x tends to 5 negative, that is kx plus 5, and your 5k plus 1 will be here. How 5k plus 1? Put x is equal to 5. In this function we have put x is equal to 5, so I have got 5k plus 1. And your RHL value is limit of x tends to 5 plus of fx, that is limit of x tends to 5 positive, that is your 3x minus 5. Now here is बच्चे 3 into 5 minus of 5, that will give 15 minus 5, and finally 10. So I have got two values. As these two values are different, but according to question these are same. Why these are same? Because in question it is given function is continuous. In question it is given the function is continuous. The function defined by this at 5 is continuous. It is already given beta, ठीक है? It is already given. So as function is being given continuous, what I will do, 5k plus 1 is equal to 10, and your 5k is equal to 10 minus 1, and your k is equal to 9 upon 5. Value of k is equal to 9 by 5. Clear बच्चे? Now let move to next question, that is your question number 30, and it is a very important question. So fastly we will do it, though it is important. First of all beta, here we are going to check it at, first of all we will check at x is equal to 2, then we will check at x is equal to 10. So at x is equal to 2, LHL limit of x tends to 2 negative, means from negative side x less than 2, the function is defined as 5, so my answer is 5. And your RHL limit of x tends to 2 positive is your ax plus b. When I will put x is equal to 2, I will get a into 2 plus b, that is 2a plus b. And your f2 value again beta, when it is equal to sign again you will choose, and f2 value is 5. As f is continuous, we can write 2a plus b is equal to 5 and number it as a first function. Now we will move to at x is equal to 10. Over here bacha, your LHL is equal to limit of fx, x tends to 10 negative. Your limit is x tends to 10 negative, that is ax plus b. Now I will put x is equal to 10, and after putting x is equal to 10, I will get 10a plus b. Why putting 10? Because I am approaching to 10. So beta 10a plus b will give 10a plus b, and it is my second function. Now I will use these two functions to find out the answer. Clear बच्चे? Now when I am finding f10, that value is 21. So clear बच्चे? Now f is continuous. Now this RHL is also beta, it is equal to sign, and over here function is defined as 21. So when I will take these two function, f is continuous at x is equal to 10, and this I have got. Now subtracting 1 from 2 equation, I will get 8a is equal to 16, and a value will be 16 by 8 is equal to 2. Now put a is equal to 2 and finally we will get 2a plus b. These are simple calculations. 2 2s are 4 plus b is equal to 5 and your b value will be 1. Clear बच्चे? This was all your discussion about your question number 24, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. These are the all questions which I have discussed you in today's lecture. Once again beta I am going to discuss. Clear बच्चे? Once again I am going to discuss with you this in starting what I have told you. This is your बच्चे till question 25 we have already done. Now I have explained you question number 26 to 30 in exercise, and your today's homework is to complete your notebook till question number 30 of exercise 5.1.